Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Okay, so the canning session is done that I did today, and I just want to show you everything that I did. We have green beans. We have 5 new jars of green beans out of those 3 packages that I got at Aldi. And they do have onion in them. I did put some onion in them. And I put a teaspoon of the Lipton onion soup mix in here, as well as in the carrots that you're going to see. But these are my green beans. Oh, that one is a little low on water. Okay, so, and then I got 3 cans of carrots. That's all I did. Should have done more. These have the Lipton soup mix in them, and they also have I boiled the onion, so I put onion in here. So these are carrots and onions with the onion soup mix. And then, let's see, I did 7 jars of pinto beans with onion in them. Okay, so these are going to be my pinto beans. Some ones with onions, I've got to mark the top saying that they have onions in them. So these I will use probably for refried beans. We have a lot of pinto beans canned. This is the last of them. I have probably about maybe a cup and a half left of raw pinto beans left. So that's all I have until I find some more. But there you go. So this is getting added to my food storage pantry. So we have lots of carrots. I still have more carrots to can. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I only have a pound left. I do need more green beans, and I absolutely need more corn. And corn is in season right now, so you guys are going to see me can corn probably this week, along with some corn cob jelly. I know I've done it before, but I have a lot of new viewers since I've done the corn cob jelly, probably about 2,000 more viewers. So I'm gonna do a step-by-step on that too, and of course do it a little bit differently. So this is a little bit of a twist on the green beans. They look amazing. Like I said, they have the onion and the soup mix in it, and like I've done in the past, I've also put some fresh mushrooms in there. It's really good. Or dried mushroom. You can also use your dehydrated onion for this, guys. Dehydrated mushroom. Use your dehydrated food in your canned good. It's perfectly fine. You can do it. It's the same. Just make sure that when you have multi-ingredients in your pressure canner, that you process for the ingredient that has the longest time. So in this case, it was the onions. So we did it for 40 minutes. And that looked good. Really, really good. So these are going to be a really nice add to my food pantry storage. I'll be going back to work here sooner than I thought. Like about 3 weeks sooner than I thought. So I've got to pack everything into 1 week and get everything that I had planned for you guys going. And I promise that when I do go back, that I will continue to do this and continue to update you on my canning, on my gardening. Everything's going to stay the same. I'm still going to be canning for my family as everything's on sale, especially meat. We're going to be canning a lot of meat. Since it's limited, what I get is going to be in cans. So we're going to jar up some pork, jar up some beef. We've got plenty of chicken already. So if you guys have any suggestions, any comments, if you want to see me do something different, please let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. This helps grow my channel, and hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And I have a lot of things coming. We're going to be gardening, doing a lot of gardening. Got half the garden done, half the garden is planted. The other part has to be planted still, and then I have a lot of seeds. So lots and lots of seeds. So just still waiting on my tomato plants. I have 2 tomato plants out there. One has a bunch of cherry tomatoes. I have zucchini coming in already, so we're going to have fun with the garden. It's one of the things I really, really love to do. So follow along with me and hit that like button, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Let me know that you're watching. Thank you, you guys. Have a great Monday evening. Bye-bye.